Tired of fumbling with your car's media controls or stuck watching endless previews before your movie starts? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Media Player Remote offers a straightforward fix. It's a GM recommended replacement part designed specifically for your GM vehicle, promising the same quality, reliability, and durability as the original factory remote. If you want hassle-free control over your in-car media player, this remote is worth a look. I picked up this remote for my 2013 GMC Yukon, which didn't come with one when I bought it. Up until then, I was stuck using the on-screen controls, which felt clunky and frustrating. Every time we wanted to watch a DVD, we had to sit through all the previews and ads just to get to the movie. With this remote, that's a thing of the past. The remote is simple, solid black with a button that lights up the main controls. While some buttons don't work with the player, the essentials like play, stop, and fast forward function perfectly. It's a relief knowing my kids can now easily navigate menus and skip previews without shouting instructions from the back seat. What you get is a genuine GM part built to the exact specifications of your vehicle's original equipment. Though the remote itself doesn't have visible GM markings, the packaging confirms its authenticity. It fits seamlessly and performs just as well as the factory remote, ensuring long-lasting service life. If you've been struggling with your media player controls or just want a reliable replacement, this remote fits the bill. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your in-car entertainment experience with a trusted, GM-approved solution.